everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flag and Pole. I'm going to see if I can show you my Second Amendment flag. It's not really blowing enough. Not enough wind, but you can kind of see it. Of course, all of our flagpole kits come with the ability to fly 2 flags, and you can actually get a 3rd flag kit that is really only recommended with our 25-foot pole, but that is an option in case you didn't know. I don't think it's even on our website yet, but it's $29.95, and it gives you the ability to fly a 3rd flag. But I just wanted to kind of highlight some of our flags because I think the Second Amendment flag is awesome. It's a 3x5. It's also that premium nylon. It's made here in the U.S. We have a lot of flags though on our website. It's not just state flags and military flags and USA flags, but we've got historical flags. We have, support our troop flags, Second Amendment flags. We have all kinds of different stuff like that. And so be sure to check it out. And that's just a little quick flag update for you. I think it's fun to kind of swap out the different flags that you fly underneath the American flag. So I encourage you to do that. AtlanticFlagpole.com. Just go to products, and then underneath products you'll see different flag options. So check it out, and you can place your order at your convenience, and you can add to your flag collection.